Hey there, Sharon here with simplycanning.com, where you can find home canning advice tutorials taught in a way that even a beginner can fill their pantry. So today I want to talk to you about a really simple topic, but it's about canning funnels. So funnels are just pretty basic. It's a little thing to help you get your food in the jars without making a mess and slopping all over. The difference between a regular funnel and a canning funnel, which this might be obvious, but this is a regular funnel with a skinny little mouth here, or is this the mouth? I don't know. This is a regular funnel. This is a canning funnel. You'll see it has a big hole in the bottom, a big opening. See the difference there? You can use this for canning, like if you're doing broth or something really, liquidy, but you're not getting peaches or green beans or anything through that. And so that's why they make these specialized canning funnels. Now this funnel, you'll see it just fits in your jar, and it's about just narrower than the mouth so that it fits down in there, and it makes filling your jars super easy. Okay, so this funnel is the funnel I've had for years. Probably 20 years. I don't know. I don't even remember how long I've had it, so I don't remember where I got it, but I will give links to both of these products below. It might not be this exact one, but it will be very, very close. These are the types of funnels that come in a lot of the canning kits, the less expensive ones. It works just great. There's no problem with it. I love it. I've been using it for years. So a week or two ago, I was thinking, and I thought, it's kind of green plastic. It's not real pretty. Maybe I should get myself a stainless steel one. I have Simply Canning. I do pictures for the website. It'll just look pretty in the images and things. So I splurged and I bought myself a stainless steel canner. It's very pretty, or not stainless steel canner, canning funnel. It's very pretty. It's shiny and everything, but it's a kind of a different shape. I couldn't find a stainless steel funnel in this shape. If you'll notice, it's wider, quite a bit wider, and it's very flat. I didn't think it would be a big deal. I mean, it's got the same size opening. Oh, actually, no, it is a little bit smaller. So the opening is a little bit smaller too. It's still bigger than a regular funnel, but I don't like it. Isn't that crazy? It's pretty and looks nice in the pictures, but I went back to using this one because it's just more convenient. The way the lip is, this is so flat that I have to be careful not to slop in here. And so, pretty or more efficient? Which one do you want? If I ever find a stainless steel funnel that's this shape, I will probably go ahead and get it. Now, having said that, there's nothing wrong with this. It works, it's sufficient. It's probably just because I've been using this for 20 years and the habit runs deep. So I just like it better. I will put links to these funnels plus maybe some canning kits and things down below that you can check out. I hope this was helpful. Please join me at simplycanning.com, and you guys have a great day. We will see you in the next video.